Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a website for your Airbnb. When the question arises like which CMS is good for your Airbnb website, then you can see multiple choices for you. You can select WordPress, Wix or Squarespace and many others CMS available to make a impactful website. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your Airbnb website with Squarespace. Squarespace is a popular website building and hosting platform known for its user-friendly interface and beautiful design templates. It allows users to create professional-looking websites without needing extensive coding knowledge. Squarespace offers a range of features including e-commerce capabilities, blogging tools, and integrated analytics, making it a versatile choice for businesses, creative and individuals looking to establish an online presence. Now, click on Get Started button at the top right corner to create a website. After a few seconds of loading, you can now select some categories for your website that they will guide you with the best experience and helps you to create your expected website. Now I'm going to select real estate and properties for my Airbnb. Now here is a question that what do you want to do with your website? I have to select some options among these, just like get appointments and sell services and the send invoices options. From here, these three options is related to my Airbnb sector. Also, I can use promote a physical business. Now, how would you like to start building your website? I can take a help of AI, or just I can build a website with the templates. The most special thing of Squarespace is its templates. They offer a professional and most responsible and impactful templates for your website. Let's go with this template. After choosing a template, check its mobile view, that how it's look like in mobile, because the targeted traffic will be come from mobile browsers in Airbnb businesses. So make sure to check the responsiveness and the customization of mobile view of the template. It should be interactive, impactful and interesting to user. Actually, these templates that I have chosen is perfect for the Airbnb businesses. Now you just need to click on this start with this design. You can also choose the color. If you don't have any account, then create an account, and if you have, then simply log in. Now it will setting things up for you. Now after a few seconds, you will land on the dashboard of your Airbnb website's dashboard. Now here you can add your site title. Now click on next button. Then you have the option to edit page, create pages and style your sites. They will guide you through some tutorials. Now here you can have a view of your Airbnb website. Actually, this is the template. Now you have to customize this template according to your needs. First, inspect the template first. Here you can see there is a book a room button available in your header section, and also photos, amenities, about, contact and login options is also available in your header. Now just simply click on edit to edit your template. Now here you can see you can edit the title of your website. You also can edit the header and also the photos and the subtitles, the text of your website. Each and every part you can edit whole these templates according to your needs. Also, you can change the background color too. For now, I'm going to edit my page title, the h1 tag. Also, you can adjust the placement of your title. This styles indicates that the range of your title adjustment area. Now it's time to set an image for your website. You can just click on this pen option and you can add an image by clicking on this plus button, and your file manager will open up and you can select a picture or you can drag and drop this. Also, you can add a section by clicking on this add section button, and you can select a blank section or you can select save section. I'm going with the add a blank section. Now you can edit this button too, and the footer menu, and you can just add text, image, button, video, form, audio, newsletter according to your needs. You know that forms are more important in the Airbnb website. You can just click on the form option to select a form, and now you have to adjust the placement of your form. I'm going to place this at the bottom of my page, and here you can add block the from. Now this place is much good. Now you have to enter the from name and the button text, also the edit from fields, and also you can select post submit. Here you can see I have give a name to this from, and also I've set the button, and you can select the design for your form. I'm going to add primary button and also the storage, or you can add the Google capture too. Here you can see I have added a form successfully on my web page. Now let's check in the mobile view how it's look like. Here you can see that it added twice. You can just delete this by click on this remove option. You also can optimize your mobile version of your website from Squarespace. Now at the desktop view, we will edit our header at the like this menu option, photos, and about and contact us option, also the social media platform section. You can add your link for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, or any other platform you want. Now this button, you can customize this button and also link this with your booking page. Basically, this is the primary thing of your how to create a Airbnb website. Now don't forget to click on save after you have edited your website or you have made some necessary changes. You can add some pages to your website by clicking on pages option. Now by clicking on plus icon, you can add a page that will navigate in menu, and also you can add a page that will be not linked but you have to link with another pages. Now you can customize your 404 error page, also the checkout page and the other pages. Now I'm going to show you how to add a page. Now I'm going to add a blank page. Now set the page name from here. Then after setting up your page name, it will navigate it to your menu option. Also you can add not linked page and create this link or customize this link and add to the another page or linked with your another web page. Now let's see how to delete a page. Just click on this setting button and click delete page option and confirm to delete. Now let's make a page from scratch. Just click on edit. This is an empty page. Now add section. Now here you can see some templates available for you like intro, contact, and other things, stuff that you need to create your Airbnb website. I'm going to select this intro and this image. Now you can customize the text of your intro here, and also you can add the image whatever you want. And you also can attach link with your intro, and the subtitles will also available in this section. Placement is so much important for your website to be aware to place a content, a text or image in your web page, and after placement must check the mobile view. Here you can see when I check the mobile view, I can found a issue that the image is blocking my intro. Now swipe it a little down and then I can have a better experience with my web page. Now you have to be sure that both desktop view and mobile view is optimized properly. Customize your website as you need and make it attractive and most responsive. Don't forget to optimize your footer section, and also you can add a new section here for your footer. You can choose these layouts available in Squarespace according to your choice. Choose a footer that can contain all of your pages link and the necessary information or location or your contact details etc for your website or for your business like Airbnb. You also can edit this section by click on this pen icon at the right side of your screen. Also you can choose a section from here, add a section for like blank sections, save sections, and contact about people, products, for services, for your portfolios, your testimonials, events, and for codes and digital products, etc. If you want to add this section, just click on it and you can edit with this pen option. You can edit this background and also the color of this background. I'm going to choose this color here. To adjust this color, you can see the new section's color, background color is white, that is not matching with this website. So I'm going to change this color to the exact color the website contains. You need to edit this page, web page, step by step. First you need to edit your header, then the main content section, then you have to follow the best UI UX design practices, and also don't forget about SEO to your website. We will discuss about the SEO optimization for our website from Squarespace for your Airbnb businesses in another video. Now you can just manage the pages serial according to their importance in the menu section by just dragging the page one after another. Here are some tips for you who wants to create a website for Airbnb. First, user-friendly design. You have to create a design that is user-friendly and gives the user the top priority. Second, responsive layout. Make sure your website is mobile friendly. Any users will access your site from their phones, so it should look great and function well on all devices. Then high quality images. Use high resolution images for your property listing. Good visuals can significantly impact a user's decision to book a property. The fourth, detailed listing. Provide comprehensive listing for each listing, including amenities, location, pricing, and house rules. The more information, the better. Then fifth, secure payment system. Also, you have to create a review system too. Then SEO optimization. SEO is most important thing in this business. Then you have to create a strong customer support for your users. Legal compliance. Ensure your website complies with local laws and regulations. 10. Marketing strategy. Develop a marketing plan to attract hosts and guests. Utilize social media, email marketing, and partnership to grow your user base. That's all for today's. If you have any confusion left yet, or if you need more informative video on Airbnb and the website for Airbnb, then let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit this notification bell icon. We will come back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching this video. Till next time.